the games begin. Anticipating the main event. The crowd gets silent, lights get dim, and the show don't start until I step in.
This competition is my first step in experiencing cocktail competitions, but it's also a learning experience. The Chaplin School has given us a million opportunities, but this one is especially special to me because it's an opportunity to get recognized and to be able to experience the world at large of coffee and cocktails.
The industry starts with hospitality and it ends with hospitality, right? And so that, for many of us, it's a human connection. It's about the people, right? The technicalities of what we get and how we get there, the information that we're going to find out throughout our career is one, but you've got to have a genuine love for taking care of people, right? And the minute you get to make those people the hero in our story, then that's how they get guided to that experience, and that's really amazing.
Let's go, get it started, you go to the roof off it regardless. Go! You turning up, say? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Turning up, say? Oh yeah. We ain't going away.
And FIU offers the opportunity to get hands-on with these kind of spirits where other schools don't, you know? You don't get this opportunity to be creative, to work in competitions, and this honestly builds the confidence for other people. Given that this is only 7, 8 people, almost 10 people in the competition, this is just a stepping stone for maybe 50 people, 100 people, 1,000 people. So it's great work.
You know, whether it's technical, whether it's philosophy, whether it's, you know, the relationship part of it, that's really the value, I guess, the most amazing part of what FIU does. It's getting a jump start on an industry that for a very long time has not had one.
The competitors today showed me that FIU is really giving them an education not only in the materials that they're using, but the practical knowledge on how to apply those and how that relates to guest experience. So I can see a lot of these kids not only going into successful careers in hospitality on the working side, but on the management side and ownership side as well.
It's showtime. Go. Get up and get hype in no time. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up. We going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up. Warm it up, hey.